Hey.
Okay, today I'm going to show you a small trail at Loyce Harper Park, also known as Carter Road. It's just east of Tampa, south of Lakeland. It's got plenty of trails. You'll see right in here off these fingers they have some trails. And we're going to be riding Max G's right in here. And as you can see on Trailforks, it's like a quarter of a mile. It's got a few bridges, a few berms. Pretty fun. Enjoy the ride.
Okay. Max G's. I don't even know which way to go.